Y'all, welcome back to DOZZY'S Life. Today on the menu I am going to be making some delicious chicken and dumpling. The whole recipe will be on screen, so go and get all of the items that you need so you can make this delicious dumplings. I mean, why not? It is December and it's time to get cozy, and this right here will warm them bones. So you guys don't forget to pay attention to the screen so you can get all of the items that you need for your dumplings. And if you only have 2 legs or 1 thigh, go on ahead and use that 1 piece of chicken and make these dumplings. Get rid of them bones and that skin and you will be in heaven. And if you can, go back and subscribe, hit the bell, press all, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All right, y'all, enjoy the video. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next video. Enjoy your chicken and dumplings. Bye.